So I decided this year, I'm not going to make any resolutions or whatever.
Yeah, I think you're going to relieve a lot of people of pressure and stress.
Yeah, I think it is important to acknowledge that not going through with new tasks that you set for yourself for self-growth is okay. As long as you're mentally conversing with yourself and actually being aware of the areas of growth, that kind of growth is enough. I'm very eager to grow in life, spiritually, mentally, physically, emotionally. But you can do that through listening and through conversation and through talking to yourself. Conversation with yourself. I think that's my non-negotiable. But I don't call that a daily practice.
Oh,
I think
that's great.
that's an hourly practice.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, that's constant.
That's constant, and that everybody does.
Yeah.
So that's also enough. But I do have to say, it's very therapeutic for me to watch other people go about their regime and their lives on Instagram Reels. When I see like Sunday resets, Saturday resets, and people lighting a candle and cleaning their house. I love it. It's so relaxing. It just
And you can feel like you did it yourself.
Yes, I think that's what it is. It's a guilty pleasure because it feels like it was me, but it's actually not.
Yeah, you're just living vicariously through them. It's like ASMR as well. It's like that feeling.
Yeah.
Are you an ASMR fan?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's such a therapeutic healing process. Seeing people do things that are good for themselves, for sure. It's amazing. Alia, it's been such a joy talking to you today. Thank you so much for being so open, being so honest.
Thank you.
I think you made me laugh. You nearly made me cry. You nearly made yourself cry. It's been such a joy getting to know you more deeply, and I'm so grateful that my audience did as well. We end every show with a final 5.
Okay.
These questions have to be answered in 1 word to 1 sentence maximum. We do this with every guest. So, Alia, these are your final 5. The first question is, what is the best advice you've ever heard or received?
From my father. I'd rather be stupid than pretend to be intelligent.
When did he say that to you, and how has it impacted you?
He said this to me when I think I was wary of asking a question in class. And he said, you'd rather be stupid than pretend to be intelligent, because if you don't ask the question, you'll never learn. Especially today, I think there's such little patience for getting things wrong. So I'd rather be wrong than pretend like I have the answer, because if I have the answer, and I'd never know the reality, like I would never know the answer.